Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And before I start today's discussion, if you are confident that you will clear the OPSC OCS prelim, then do join our test series. Do join our high quality test series cum guidance program. I have already started the answer writing classes and you are missing out on so much. So yesterday I took the second essay class. So if you are interested, then say hi, I am interested in joining our test series, and in my email address abishoi27@gmail.com, and it is also there. Our joining process is also there in the description. You can check that out. And in today's video I am going to discuss about a very important question, that is GPS. What is GPS and what are its uses? Friends, what is GPS and explain its functioning. What is GPS? First you have to, whenever a question like this comes, you have to give a brief definition. Since this particular question is of 6 marks, you have to be defining as brief as possible. The Global Positioning System, originally Navstar GPS, is a satellite-based radio navigation system owned by US government and operated by US Space Force. This will be crisp as well as a wonderful definition. You can say the Global Position System, originally the Navstar GPS, is a satellite-based, you can say, radio navigation system. It's a satellite-based radio navigation system owned by US government and operated by US Space Force. Generally, the US Space Force is using this particular GPS. What is its functioning? The GPS is having two type of function. One is a military function and second one is civil function. One particular is used by, you can say, Army, Navy, Air Force for specially locating their ship as well as aircraft, and all these things can be done, and especially the movement of the force in the army, in which location people are there and in which location the enemy is there, you can be finding out from this particular GPS. That is a very important function for the military. Then second one is GPS for the civil use, and in the civil use there will be different kind of a people, like where is the people or traffic management. There can be many things in especially even the civilian aircraft, you can say the civil total transportation is also dependent on GPS services. Civil merchant vessel transporting, all these are, you can say, the civil side use. GPS provides users with positioning, navigation and timing. What GPS provides, the main function is it will give you the position, then navigation and timing, P&T service. It will be providing you P&T service. GPS has been developed in order to allow accurate determination of geographical location by both military and civil users. As we have discussed, the real function is both military as well as civil side. In the civil side, whichever location there will be fleet traffic movement or even the aircraft movement, the civilian aircraft, all the civilian aircraft movement or even merchant vessel movement, everything can be done and tracking can be done in the GPS. So if you will see the entire thing, it is 59 words. It's a 6-marker question, and after, if you will calculate all, it will be 59 words. You have to be restricting, not going above 60 words. The moment, okay, you can, I have given you the 10% rule. From 54 words to, you can say, you can be ranging between 66 words. But do not keep on writing. If you will keep on writing, then you are hampering the other questions. Your time management will become a very big issue. So I always advise all the serious aspirants, please stick to the time, stick to the word limit. Try and bring in perfection, to at least try to close as possible. And Extra information about GPS, Global Navigation Satellite System GNSS, GLONASS. Global Navigation Satellite System is of Russia. It is another one. Then Galileo of Europe. Galileo is equivalent to that of GPS. Then India is having IRNSS, that is Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. IRNSS, it covers in 1500 kilometer in the Indian Ocean region. 1500 kilometer in the Indian Ocean region can be covered through our IRNSS. It is a Indian version of GPS. Then Beidou or the BDS of China. Beidou or BDS of China is another form of GPS developed by China. Then QZSS, Quasi Zenith Satellite System of Japan. It is another form of GPS developed by Japan. And today's our main test series subscribers today, it will be AMC 7, MGP and questions, and tomorrow it will be AMC 8 and questions. So if you are interested to join and bring seriousness in your preparation, do join our main test series quick and fast, and it will be giving you a perspective about answer writing, and as well as it will push you towards writing the answer specially. And if you are interested, then say hi, I am interested in your test series program in my email address abishoi27@gmail.com. Happy learning.